Okay, so I did not talk fast enough in that last video to get my last thoughts out. Apparently, I need to do part 4. I'm so sorry. I hope that you are staying with me through all these videos. So, I promise this is my last video, but this is all you need to know with Seesaw, but I'm very excited to use this with you and your child. The last thing that I'm going to show you is that there are different folders for subjects in here. So there's everything that they're doing at home correlates with a subject on here. As you can see, or as you might realize, the students were not sent with packets, anything besides their workbooks and a hardcover textbook. They were not sent home with because we are going to try to stay paperless as much as possible without needing drop-offs and pickups. So when I am looking to do science, coming up here, I will be sharing mystery science, brain pop, a bunch of different activities for the students to watch at home and activities for them to participate in while they respond to me away from the classroom. So there's obviously nothing in here now, but there are a bunch of different folders that they are doing at the moment, such as their daily journal. So this is everything that they write about. In their binder, they should have been given a bunch of papers for each day writing topics. So that's their daily journal. For right now, that was just their response back to "Good morning, what do you miss about school?" So that's just how they're getting used to that one. But eventually they will be posting pictures to that. They have nighttime here. And Miss Cabot is also a co-teacher in the first grade part of this, and she'll be able to see their nighttime work posted. Math and religion, they will be doing consistently. And then science, social studies, and writing is something that will come about once we are comfortable with this application. So yeah, that is my best suggestions with Seesaw and my best overview. If there's any other questions, obviously let me know. I am always here to help and support you or your child. Yeah, I think I covered it all. Thanks for watching then. So I guess I will hear from you soon. Bye.